Get ready to be whisked away to a slice of paradise as we dive into the luxurious world of Marquis Los Cabos all-inclusive resort and spa. Nestled along the stunning coastline of Baja California, sir, this adults-only haven is where sophistication meets serenity. So grab your imaginary margarita and let's embark on a virtual tour of this Mexican gem. First up, let's talk about the accommodations that'll make you feel like royalty. Marquis Los Cabos doesn't do ordinary rooms. Oh no, they've gone all out with exclusively all-suite offerings. Picture yourself in a casita suite, where ocean views are as standard as the sunrise. These spacious sanctuaries are designed with a contemporary Mexican flair that'll have you saying, "Ay caramba," in the best way possible. But wait, there's more. Each suite comes with its own private plunge pool, perfect for those moments when you want to feel fancy without the effort of walking to the main pool. And speaking of effort, you won't need to lift a finger thanks to the nightly turn-down service. It's like having a fairy godmother, but instead of turning pumpkins into carriages, they're turning your bed into a cloud. Now let's talk amenities. L'Occitane toiletries? Check. Nespresso machines for your caffeine fix? Double check. A mini bar stocked with premium beverages that are actually included in your stay? Triple check. And hallelujah. The suites are so well equipped, you might be tempted to never leave. But trust me, you'll want to explore what else this resort has to offer. Alright, food lovers, this next part is for you. Marquis Los Cabos isn't messing around when it comes to dining. With 5 a la carte restaurants, your taste buds are in for a whirlwind tour of culinary delights. From Mexican specialties that'll make you want to hug the chef, to international dishes that'll have you feeling like a globetrotter without leaving the resort. There's something for every palate. And let's not forget about the stylish hotel bar. It's the kind of place where you can sip on premium cocktails and pretend you're in a Bond movie, shaken, not stirred, of course. The best part? It's all included in your stay. That's right, folks. You can eat and drink to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. It's like an all-you-can-eat buffet, but classier. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about dress codes? Fear not, fashionistas. While the resort leans towards smart casual, you won't need to pack your ball gowns or tuxedos. Just leave the flip-flops in your suite when you're heading to dinner, and you'll be golden. Let's dive into the pool scene. And oh boy, what a scene it is. Marquis Los Cabos boasts not one, but 2 beachfront infinity pools that seem to melt right into the Sea of Cortez. It's the kind of view that makes you question reality. Is this a pool, or am I floating in the ocean? The answer is both, kind of. These aquatic marvels come complete with swim-up bars, because nothing says luxury like ordering a piña colada without ever leaving the water. And if you're worried about getting pruny fingers from staying in too long, fear not. The poolside service is so attentive, you might find yourself spending the entire day lounging like a sun-kissed sea lion. But wait, there's more. The beach is right there, beckoning you with its golden sands and crystal-clear waters. While the exact length of the beach isn't specified, maybe they're keeping it a secret to prevent overcrowding by mermaids. You can bet your bottom dollar it's ample enough for long walks and romantic sunsets. Water sports enthusiasts, rejoice. While the details are as elusive as a shy octopus, it's safe to assume that activities like snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding are on the menu. And if they're not, well, you can always pretend your poolside lounger is a surfboard. We won't judge. Now let's talk about keeping active. Because we all know vacation calories don't count, right? Wrong. But fear not. Marquis Los Cabos has got you covered with a fitness center that'll make you feel less guilty about all those margaritas. While the online details are as sparse as a cactus in the desert, you can expect the usual suspects. Cardio equipment to get your heart racing faster than the sight of the ocean view, and strength training machines to help you lift more than just your cocktail glass. But let's be real, you're on vacation. Who wants to spend all day in a gym? That's where the world-class spa comes in. Prepare to be pampered within an inch of your life with an array of treatments that'll make you forget what stress even is. Massages, facials, body wraps, they've got it all. And rumor has it, they even have tequila-based therapies. That's right, folks, you can literally soak in the spirit of Mexico. Just don't try to drink the bath water, okay? For those seeking inner peace or just a good sweat, the spa likely offers facilities like saunas, steam rooms, and relaxation lounges. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure book, but instead of fighting dragons, you're fighting the urge to move from your comfy spa chair. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the lack thereof. Marquis Los Cabos is an adults-only paradise. That means no kids club, no family suites, and definitely no chicken nugget-shaped chicken nuggets at dinner. It's a place where the only screaming you'll hear is your inner child yelling "wee" as you cannonball into the pool. But just because there are no actual children doesn't mean you can't act like one. The resort offers weekly entertainment that'll bring out your playful side. Wine and tequila tastings? Yes, please. Dance lessons? Time to bust out those moves you've been saving for the wedding dance floor. And with live music performances, you can pretend you're at Coachella, but with better amenities and less dust. Now, let's venture beyond the resort walls, shall we? Marquis Los Cabos is ideally situated for exploring the local area. Just a 15-minute drive away, you'll find San Jose del Cabo Town Center. It's like stepping into a postcard of charming Mexican village life, complete with art galleries, boutique shops, and restaurants that'll make you question why you ever ate anywhere else. Golf enthusiasts, get ready to swing into action. The Cabo Real Golf Club is practically in the resort's backyard. And if one course isn't enough to satisfy your golf cravings, the El Dorado Golf Course is also within driving distance. Just remember, if you spend more time in the sand traps than on the beach, you might be doing vacation wrong. For those who prefer their activities a little more wet, the Sea of Cortez is your playground. The hotel can organize excursions like fishing trips and snorkeling tours. Who knows, you might even make friends with a sea lion or two. Just don't try to bring them back to your suite. The housekeeping staff draws the line at marine mammals. Now let's talk about what makes Marquis Los Cabos stand out from the crowd. First off, its adults-only status means you can enjoy your margarita by the pool without the soundtrack of Marco Polo being played in the background. Peace and quiet? Check. But the real showstopper is the resort's artistic flair. It's like staying in a museum, but one where you're allowed to touch things and the exhibits serve you cocktails. The property boasts an impressive collection of paintings and sculptures by famous Latin American artists. It's so fancy, you might feel the urge to start speaking with a posh accent and referring to yourself in the third person. The design of the resort itself is a work of art, blending contemporary Mexican decor with Latin American influences. It's a kind of place that makes you want to redecorate your entire house when you get home, until you remember that your living room probably can't pull off an infinity pool view. And let's not forget about the name, Marquis, as in the finest cut of a diamond. It's hard to achieve, but lasts forever, much like the memories you'll make here, or the tan lines you'll get if you forget to reapply sunscreen. While Marquis Los Cabos might not be the place for hosting your next corporate retreat, unless your company is really, really cool, it does offer some event spaces. Perfect for those destination weddings where you want to say, "I do," with your toes in the sand and a margarita in hand. Just don't blame the resort if your guests enjoy themselves so much they forget to actually attend the ceremony. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.